Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Here is your chance to own this lovely home in the sought after community of Halifax St. Andrew. Listings such as this one rarely comes on the market. The property is the definition of a family home with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, swimming pool, reserve water tank, spacious dining area, kitchen, ceiling fans throughout. It has 2 sitting areas, a study, laundry, utility room, and a lovely back patio bar for your gatherings. The land area of this house is approximately 16,785 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 800,000 or Jamaican $123.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.